Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my two $30 mystery boxes from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I am hella excited. So if you have not seen my previous video where I unboxed my $80 mystery box from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, make sure to go check it out before you get started with this video, and stay tuned because I'm giving away one of my mystery boxes to one of you guys, so you don't want to miss the giveaway. So stay tuned because throughout this video I'm going to tell you how to enter the giveaway, and without any further ado, let's go ahead and let's get started with the video.
Most famous reindeer of all, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Alright, so let's start unboxing. Like I told you guys, I do have two of the $30 mystery boxes. These boxes claim to have $80 in savings. Now, I did hear a lot of rumors of people saying that the 30, 80, and 175 mystery boxes all had the same products, and that the only thing that was changing was the merch. So I'm so glad that I did get two of the $30 mystery boxes, just so I can see with my own eyes if I did get the same products, or if they're a little bit different, or what it's all about. So it did come in this big hot pink box. They put both of them in here, so we're gonna start unboxing, and this is what it looks like. Just yellow tissue paper with both of the mystery boxes in here. I'm gonna start unboxing the very first one, and the packaging looks exactly the same as the $80 mystery one. It's just a little bit smaller. So let's open it up, and there's a tissue paper, pink tissue paper, and the products are in here. So the first product that I do see is a pop socket, which I believe all the orders did come with this. So it looks like now I'm gonna have two, which I don't mind because I really like the little logo. And then I see is a Jeffree Star Skin Frost, and this one is in mint condition. And I really like this. I said it in the previous video. I really like that these are pretty big highlighters, and I really like that the mirror is pretty big. You can literally see your entire face and do your entire makeup with just this mirror. So I really like it, but I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my face. I really want to see what it looks like, so we're gonna go ahead and swatch it. Okay, so I have my highlight brush here. It's the Morphe M501, and I'm gonna grab some on the brush, and we're just going to apply it right on top. Ooh, okay, I'm shocked. I was not expecting it to be this color. It looks holographic. I don't know if the camera is picking it up as much, but in person it's a little bit lighter, but I'm really digging it. I like this. Okay, let's do this side. Like, I would totally wear this highlight. Like, no joke, I would totally wear it. It's so blinding. It's really pretty, really nice. This, as like an inner corner, will be bomb. So, honestly, I was not expecting to like this, but I like it. It's different. It's very blinding, really pretty. I'm digging it. This one is $29, which is the Skin Frost. So $29 for this one. Okay, then I see this is the Velour Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in Can't Relate. These are $18. We're gonna open it up and see. I believe this is like one of his new releases. Or am I wrong? Oh my god, the packaging is so nice. Wow, okay, I love this packaging. It is so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Oh, that is a beautiful shade. Yes, I really like this one. Oh my god, I'm so happy I got this one. Look at that. Nice. Okay, let's see what else we got. We got another Velour liquid lipstick, and this is in Flamethrower. This looks like a really pretty color for like the summer. Nice. Let's see. I'm gonna open this one up. Oh, this is a bright orange. This, as an eyeliner, will be freaking bomb. Swatch it. Oh, yes. Okay, I would so wear this for the summer, and as a eyeliner, it would be so nice. Imagine just like a bright orange eyeliner. It would look really, really good. So really happy I got this one. This is Baby Spice, and we're gonna open it up. Now these are also $18. Look at the packaging, really pretty. We're gonna swatch. Oh, this is a pretty pink. Yes, look at that one. Look, yes, girl. Freaking loving it. Oh my god, I'm so going to wear these. Heck yes. Okay, and then we have another Velour liquid lipstick, and this one is in I'm Royalty. That's what it looks like. Ooh, really nice. I don't know about you, but I'm really liking the colors in this box. Even the purple, I'm digging it. I really like it. So these are the 4 shades that I did get. So we said $29 for the Skin Frost. And then I got 3 of the Velour liquid lipsticks. These are $18. And then the Lip Ammunition is also $18. So that is a total of $101, not including the pop socket. I don't know how much this is, guys. The entire box is $101. I did pay $30, so that is $71 in savings, not including the pop socket. But if you do include it, I'm pretty sure it is $80 in savings. So overall, am I happy with the box? Freaking love it. I really do like it. I feel like for the $30 that I paid, I'm very well pleased with everything that I did get. So this is the first box, which this one is obviously going to be for me since I already swatched everything. So the second box will be for one of you guys. So let's start unboxing it and see what's inside. Here's the second box. All right. I want to make sure to not mess up my swatches. So let me just leave it like that. There we go. Let's open it up. I'm excited to see what you guys are going to get. Okay, so we got a pop socket. One of you guys is gonna get a pop socket. And then we have a Skin Frost in mint condition as well. So we did get the same one, mint condition. Okay, and then let's see. You guys also get a Velour liquid lipstick in I'm Royalty. So it looks like so far we're getting the same products. Yeah, it's I'm Royalty. I was like, is it? I want to double check, but it is. I'm Royalty. And then another Velour liquid lipstick. Flamethrower. It's the same orange one. And then Can't Relate. Another Velour liquid lipstick. And the Lip Ammunition and Baby Spice. So we did get the same products, guys. Literally, we got the exact same box. So it looks like all the boxes do come with the same products. It's just the merch that is changing. Honestly, it doesn't really bother me. It is a mystery box. So if you don't cheat and you don't watch the videos, then you definitely will be surprised with what you get. But if you start watching all the videos and you're like, what are they gonna get? And then you get the same thing, it is kind of disappointing. So I kind of see where people are coming from. But I'm really pleased with the box. For $30, I think the box is really worth it. I think it's really great. So now I'm gonna show you my $80 mystery box. I'm not gonna go very in depth and do swatches because I already did that in the previous video, so make sure to go check it out. But I'm gonna do kind of like a quick little rundown if you haven't seen that other video, just so you can see what I got in the $80 box versus the $30 box. So we're gonna open it up, and I did get this black t-shirt. I did get merch, and it's just plain black, and it says Jeffree Star. Really like it. And then another pop socket. That's why I told you guys I was not gonna have 2. And I got a lot of lippies, which I'm really excited for. I got this Velour liquid lipstick. This one is in Watermelon Soda. It's like this really pretty, it's kind of like more of a pinkish color. Then I have another Velour liquid lipstick. This one is in Delicious. This is a really pretty shade. Then I have 2 Lip Ammunition products. I have Allegedly, which is the shade, and Jeffree's Girl. So I have 2 of these. And then I have Velour liquid lipstick and Baby Daddy, which I was hella excited when I got this one, girl, because I've been wanting the shade and it looks so bomb on the lips. And then another Velour liquid lipstick and a Fudge Pop. This is more of like a metallic color. And then I got 2 Skin Frost. I got in Dark Horse and Regina George, so I have 2 Skin Frost. So this is what I got in the $80 box, just so you can kind of give yourself an idea of what you get on the $80 box versus the $30 mystery box. I know you guys are like, Pita, how do I win the mystery box? So I'm going to tell you how you can get your hands on this mystery box, and it's going to be super easy. All you have to do is go ahead and like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below whatever you want in the comment section, and follow the link in the description box. It is literally the very first link in the description box. Follow the link, follow the steps, and that is your entry. And to the giveaway, it is open for 7 days, so I will announce the winner 7 days from now. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss it. Hey, you never know, you might be one of the lucky winners. So yeah, that's it for this video. I do want to announce the winner of the Clarity Blush before I leave. Congratulations to you. Thank you so much for showing consistent love to my channel and all my social medias. Please make sure to go ahead and contact me on the email that appears on the screen. And guys, don't forget, if you do not win, please do not be discouraged. You guys know that it is currently Vlogmas, and I'm doing a giveaway in every single one of my videos. So don't forget to subscribe because there's a lot of giveaways going on. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It was so much fun filming this video for you guys today, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, my loves.